beautiful. Never knew this was here. Heard the name, but I didn't know anything about it. There's turtles in there too. There's all these little fish everywhere. If you can see all the goldfish, this is a nice feeding pond. And the fish come right up to the edge. It looks like they're maybe waiting for, and you can sit right here too. So you can technically just sit right here and enjoy the park from this view, because you can sit on these seats at this table right here. This is what I'm doing right now. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm in Taipa. This is a music school right here. So I'm gonna walk down a street I never really walked down, but Taipa Village is there. Galaxy is right there, Galaxy Casino. And sometimes it's kind of good to, you know, shift it up and go somewhere that you don't really go. So here's the Breathers. So, American Dental Center. And Breathers is a bar that's kind of new. So looks like there's somebody still there from the night before maybe, or probably not from the night before, but okay. So this is gonna, all the Macau signs, I always have it in Chinese and in Portuguese. And this is kind of the way that they usually do it. And I think it's been that way for quite a while. So there's kind of some historical value to it. And they're pretty beautiful signs. This is kind of a typical Macau crosswalk sign. You know how every place kind of does it a little bit different. So, okay, there's a health center right here. And these buildings are pretty massive actually. But what I want to do, there's a popular bus that comes here all the time. And so a lot of people might take a bus through here, drops people off right at the base of the apartment building, but I never go over here. So this is one of my goals today, to see what the heck is over here, you know? And actually a lot of this stuff, I just don't know what it is, like this big building there. I definitely don't know what this one is. So I think I'm gonna turn the camera off, and then we're gonna go up in this little white thing and walk around and see what's on the other side. So I'm gonna be going up on this one in a minute. But actually I can see some, like I can see a trail over here. A trail that goes all the way around here. So I don't know. Some more buildings over here that I never go to. Like you think you go everywhere in Macau and then you realize that you don't. The city is both big and small at the same time. And what I mean by that is like it's small enough that you feel like you go to the same places all the time and that you've pretty much went to every place a number of times, and then you realize that actually you haven't. There's whole swaths of stuff you just don't really seem to get to. So anyways, we're gonna look over this edge right now. Oh wow, okay. Now I can kind of see this green reservoir thing. Huh. So we're gonna be walking over there in a minute and see what that is. And I'm gonna be trying to connect to this bridge over here. And connecting to this bridge was pretty easy because I was just there filming over the edge there, and now I'm over here. Oh, okay. There's the cemetery right here. Okay. So this GoPro 7 keeps kind of quitting on me. Just turned this thing on too. Actually, you've probably been noticing recently I've been using a lot of different some cameras at kind of a lower quality because this one kind of peters out. But this is really beautiful. And I just never saw this, didn't know it was here. Had no idea it was connected to these buildings right here. Oh, okay, there's even a nice little temple right there. Like a little, not temple, but shrine, sorry. So you can see some of the cemetery over here and the shrine right here. And that shrine is beautiful. I wish I might go down there in a minute. Let's take a look over here. Oh man, that's crazy. Because I've never gone up in this way before, and now I see that okay, let's go down there. And we got an elevator that takes us directly downstairs. So we're just gonna walk out and see what all we can see. There's actually bus stops that come here too. Okay, let's take a look. It's a nice, beautiful shrine. Okay, the Natural Park of Taipa, Taipa Grande. Okay, huh. It's a beautiful shrine. And actually, if you could smell it, you can smell the incense right now too. It's beautiful. Yeah, I really love the shrines in Macau. A lot of detail. Each one has so much beauty and detail. So, yeah, sometimes I'll buy books and I'll try to read about them, try to see who they are, what they mean. I just read one that's pretty famous. It's a green tunic and a red face. There's actually two of them right here. I can't remember her name, but it's like a war god, I think. Maybe if some of my viewers might know. That's really beautiful right here. These two main ones. It looks like a king and queen in a way. So let's get a little bit closer. That's beautiful. Put some nice, beautiful flowers out. Yeah, really wonderful. Okay. So let's just see what this little park is all about over here. Okay. Yeah, I've never seen this. There's a WC right there. There's another beautiful sign and a bus stop. The Garden of Lago Garden. It's beautiful. Never knew this was here. Heard the name, but I didn't know anything about it. There's turtles in there too. There's all these little fish everywhere. If you can see all the goldfish, this is a nice feeding pond. And the fish come right up to the edge. It looks like they're maybe waiting for, and you can sit right here too. So you can technically just sit right here and enjoy the park from this view, because you can sit on these seats or this table right here. This is what I'm doing right now. So I don't know if you can see me, right? And then you got all these tall buildings on that side. And yeah, this is where we just came out of. We just came down this way. And then right next to it is a nice little, this has kind of like a little Chinese element. So I thought it was going to be a shrine as well, but it looks like it's just a building with a nice design. Okay, wow. I don't know if you can see these, but there's three really large fish right there. They're getting some shade, I guess. Let's see if I can get closer to them on this side. Oh, I cannot. There's some pretty large fish right there too. Here they are right there. See those? Those are some big fish right there. Look how big those are. Dang, there's some big gold ones too. There's a really big gold one. Jeez, I didn't know this was here. It's beautiful. And there's even a little waterfall right here. There's some big fish right there. Waterfall coming down here, waterfall coming down here, but I don't know, there's a big eyesore, there's a big trash heap right there. I don't know why they would have that right there, unless they're collecting it that comes off of the mountain. So, okay. So yeah, I just saw something new today. And I could go this way and kind of go into this a little bit, but I've never been here before, so I might as well at least walk around this place. But yeah, Macau is pretty much filled with surprises all the time. I just did not expect this either. Nice places to sit down. I always like this style because like this style doesn't, you know, you can't really get, like food can fall through it, right? So like somebody's eating peanuts and they leave it, you don't have to brush it off, it just falls through. It's kind of I know it's a ridiculous thing to have to think about, but and I bet it's pretty easy to clean as well. Nice beautiful trees all around us. I think those are bamboo right there. See some of that bamboo. Yeah, this is like the wild bamboo. So, okay. Yeah, it's beautiful. So now you get another side of Macau. I hadn't been here myself. Beautiful lantern type right here. So, okay. Yeah, what a surprise. Did not expect that at all. It's beautiful. So, if you watch this video and you haven't seen this before and you live in Macau, you know, let me know. Because I didn't know it was here. I had no idea. Sometimes you learn about stuff in the most unusual ways. Huh. Now that I know it's here, it's like what a sanctuary from Taipa is like filled with amazing. Okay, so this is Jardín del Lago, and I cannot keep that GoPro going for the life of me. So I don't know, it's about time to get the GoPro 8 anyways, or try to get that other different camera because man, I'm having all kinds of problems with that. What's kind of cool is I can see these hiking trails, and I was just trying to film over there, and that hiking trail goes all the way up, but I can see it way up into the mountains, and it'd be a pretty beautiful hike to take the camera up and to see everything. But I'll have to do it in maybe later when I get a better camera, because mine won't last. So pretty beautiful. So beautiful place. Okay, so we're just going to zoom in on the cemetery. I have this other camera instead of the GoPro. I can zoom in a little bit and you can see some of the detail. This is the iPhone, and actually in some ways it films, it has quite a bit of capabilities with the iPhone anyway, so that's the cemetery. And so just to give you some perspective, that was the cemetery there. Here's the bus. You can see it's Lago de Jardins de Oceano. It's just going to go to Ocean Gardens. But a minute ago it said it had, I thought it said Jardin de do Lago. But anyways, this is the beauty of this little space, and you can see those hiking trails, and I'm kind of up above a little bit so you can see more, and you can see, I've actually never been up here either. I don't know how these roads wrap around like that. But yeah, pretty beautiful space. And this is the other side, just so you could get some perspective of where you are. Galaxy. So if you don't know Macau, you can see the Galaxy casinos on maps pretty easily, and then you can kind of identify where you are exactly. So yeah, beautiful tree-lined street right there, and yeah, all right. More perspective. Originally, I started this video down there, right around the corner from here. And but now I can see how beautiful some of these buildings are. So you can see like this beautiful lobby with all the windows, and then there's all these apartments up here. And now I can kind of see like the beauty of those too. There's somebody has this whole balcony space right here, which is incredible. Or I don't know who has it, but maybe it's the community. I'm not sure. And all these apartments, and I always love these kind of way the windows work, like the way that they're have that kind of semicircle pattern. So anyways, thought I'd just kind of show another side of Macau, and then you can see all these buildings out here. So it's kind of interesting, right? Because that lake had a really different feel in those mountains right there, and then you get over here, and then you have all the density of Macau and Taipa. It's one of the most densest cities in the world. So then right there is where that cemetery was at, and then on the other side was where the that little pond is at. All right, and this is where we really started at. It's the breathers, right? So I started that in front of this music school. There's the Galaxy right there. We'll see if we can zoom in. There it is. And then that is where we were just at. So you can see how close everything is. Zoom into that too. So yeah, and those are the mountains right there. You can start hiking up into all that. So yeah, pretty cool little city, Macau.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado la ที่ดี